guys, this is AKPK. I think it's a long time since I came back. So today I'm gonna teach you guys, like, hold up. First, let's just save and quit. I'll tell you one thing. So the first thing you need to do is that look, edit this into flat. No. We can't do this. Okay, no worries. I'll just delete the word for my game. Name it creations. Ish. So guys, this is our second Minecraft video so far, and that's very okay. Yeah, let's create the word. Wait, I forgot something, didn't I? No, I didn't. I got new emotes actually, guys. So I'm gonna show you few of them first. I'm gonna toggle perspective first. Yeah. How to pet the dog. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. So I'll show you my emotes. The first one is the second one is what's poppin'? Simple clap. What's up, guys? Yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's all. So the first thing we'll be creating is an easy doorbell. Okay, so we'll take something normal planks. We always need a door. We always need a button. Where is the button? Oh, button. Man, I think that's all we need to go for. No, then we need a... What is that thing again? Yeah, where is the bell? Yeah, you need a bell too. So yeah, we are ready. Now, how do we create it is first check that. Need to keep it down. By the way, you can't see my hand because you can change everything in the settings. No need to this. Just we will create a 3 by 3. Let's see. We are going to create a 3 by 3. And I think, oh god. Yeah, we are going to create a 3 by 3 tall wall for this. Yeah. No need like a 3 by 3, but it's very important. So the first thing is that you should block up these other parts. This is quite useful, so you can use it. Yeah, we do this. And then, people put. So we have 2 doors what we are going to put, right guys? So we are putting 2 doors. Okay. Oh, Q4 is through. What? Hold up. God. Oh god. Okay, you gotta get me. I'm sucking. Okay, attempt 3. Please. What? this guy. Yeah, so that's all. Next, you should keep the doorbell. What? Okay, it's irritating now, literally. Just block up this part. Yeah. Now that should do it. So now what we do is you need to go down 3, click 3. Now you can put, but it'll get connected to this. Now we are gonna find out how to change that. No, yeah, there is a way to change it. If you add one more layer on this side, maybe it will change. So yeah, let's add another layer. Let's follow for the good. You don't need to add layers on both sides, but on for one side, yeah, it's okay. It needs to be okay. Yeah, then yeah, now we are all set. 3. Keep the button over here, so you can click it. Oh yeah, and actually did I say this new update has come? You aim at the block. Oh, there is something like that. You go to settings and put continue. You can pick up the block what is under you. A little out of blocks. But now look, I'm going here. Or I can also sprint to the chickens and yeah, this is gonna be very funny. I'm gonna chicken stop. Chicken. No, yeah. Spawn chicken. There, look, isn't that interesting? Yeah, it's something interesting, right, guys? Now look, for example, it works on any mob, then that's very cool. Yeah, so let's continue. Now you keep the bill here. Wait, I can. Yeah. Yeah, that's all, guys. Make sure. Yeah, I'll show you. Isn't that good? Look. Yeah, that's all, guys. That's all for today, guys. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like, and bye.